in my perspective, not any major action I had taken, but I will say, to be more precise, like I have reduced my usage of my motorcycles, vehicles to travel in a short distance, which
Okay.
will, I think, it will affect very less in the
Mm.
effect of air pollutions. Like,
Okay.
yeah.
I would give you feedback afterward. Okay, fine. What do you think individuals can do to combat climate change in their daily life? Brief 3 4 lines. I know this question can be asked in part 3 as well, but in short, how do you answer this? What do you think individuals can do to combat climate change? What people can do?
Okay, like to answer your question,
People can.
people can make less use of carbon carbon emitted vehicles. Like nowadays, there are many options available, like electric car.
Mhm.
Electric car is also an option
Okay.
for green
So I think you are saying right now that
ecosystem.
the people can, if they want to minimize climate change, they can use the public transportation, right? So that it cut down on
Yeah, yeah,
carbon emission.
yeah,
Carbon emission, right?
yeah.
Fine. Please
So,
continue.
like,
Sorry.
there are many public transportations available.
Right.
So, in despite using their own vehicles, if it's possible for them, they can use the public transportation. It will it will reduce the usage of extra vehicles. Secondly, sorry.
Yes.
Secondly, there are eco-friendly vehicles,
Hmm.
like electric vehicles are a better option.